not rely on this video for the entire lab. We only covered important parts.
Yeah, because we're assuming the chums can read directions. Chem students, today we're going to work on thermochemistry and the Hess's Law lab. So what this lab, the purpose is to demonstrate Hess's Law. As you can see from the three equations above my head, that we are going to test the enthalpies for all three of these. Now, as you can tell, the first two equations algebraically combine to form the third equation. So, according to Hess's Law, the first two enthalpies should combine to form the third enthalpy. I think I'm going to measure this acid now. This is acid. Okay. Right? Oh yeah. Okay. Oh no. Oh.
Kathy, what are you doing?
I think I spilled acid on my, it burns.
It burns. You need to rinse your hand in the faucet, and you're not wearing glasses, and you're not wearing a lab coat. You're not even cleaning up your mess, and you have a styrofoam cup on the heater.
I think I'm gonna go clean it.
Yes, please do.
Here's another beaker of acid. I think I'm going to measure it.
Good job, Kathy.
I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so in this portion we're going to be talking about the hot plate. You'll notice that it's number 3, and Ms. Bauman likes it, or it's better if the number for the hot plate matches the table number, which you can't see, but trust me, or, well, you see it now. Table 3. And, yes. So, a few notes about the hot plate. When you are not using the hot plate, make sure you unplug it, because if you don't, nasty accidents can happen. Also, don't heat this. If you want heated water, heat it first in the beaker and then pour it into the cup, because, well, you know, bad things happen when you heat styrofoam. Wow, I wonder what these things are. It looks like a cup. I wish Crystal were here to explain it to me.
Well, Kathy, these are collimators. As you can see, this is a real collimator, one you probably aren't working with today. You'll be working with our generic styrofoam cups, and for now, we will use this as our lid to keep heat in.
So, here we have a graduated cylinder and a beaker. Now, whenever you're measuring, you always use a graduated cylinder, mostly because it's accurate, and also because Ms. Bauman will yell at you if you measure with a beaker. So keep that in mind.
So, this is a fume hood. You turn it on with this switch. Since we are so fortunate to have these fancy calculators and lovely temperature probes, you get to record every 5 seconds instead of every 20 seconds like the lab says. So be sure to make a good table in your lab notes. First, you need to turn the calculator on, then plug in the temperature probe. Then this fancy program will come up. So, since we're recording for every 5 seconds, we need a time graph. So you go to Setup, Time Graph, and we're doing every 5 seconds for 180 seconds, which is 3 minutes. So you go to Edit, every 5 seconds, next, and for 180 seconds, next. And then you press OK, and when you're ready to record your temperatures, you press Start. Now, to get your data, you're going to hit Quit, OK, and then you're going to go to Stat, Edit, and your data should be in your list. In between experiments, make sure you wash your temperature probe. And be sure that you do not get any of the black part wet, only the silver part. Also remember to wash with distilled water only. Do we wash still water or this water?
Do you want me to restart?
In between experiments, you need to be sure to wash your temperature probe. Be sure. In between experiments, make sure you wash your temperature probe.
Hi, Heather. Oh, that's Nancy.
Please do not rely on this slide. Oh my god.